In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up project task templates in monday.com. Creating templates can be a real time saver as it sets a repeatable structure for recurring projects. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, head over to monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner and click on the login button. This will prompt you to sign in to your account. You have the option to sign in with Google, or you can choose to type in the email address associated with your monday.com account. If you've chosen the Google sign-in option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. You'll need to select the one you wish to use for this session. After completing the login process, navigate to the board you want to work with. You'll find this located on your dashboard. Now that you are on the correct board, look to the left side of your screen and locate the 3 vertical dots next to the board name. Click on these dots, which will open up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, select Duplicate. This action creates a copy of your board. It's a good idea to rename your duplicate immediately. This helps avoid any confusion later on. Choose a name that resonates with the project's purpose or theme. Before finalizing the duplication, ensure you select Board Structure Only from the drop-down list. This option preserves the layout and setup of your board without including data that may not be needed for every project. With your selection made, go ahead and click on Duplicate. Next, navigate to the new board, the one you've just duplicated. Again, on the left side of your screen, click the 3 dotted line next to the board name. This time from the drop-down menu, choose the Save as Template option. A prompt will appear confirming your intention to save as a template. Click Save as Template again to solidify this action. Now to use the template you've just created, look for the blue plus sign button. Clicking this will open a menu where you'll need to select Board and then choose Start with a Template. On the left side of the screen, a section labelled Created by Me will appear. This is where you'll see the templates you've made. Select the template you need from this list and you're ready to go. You're now set to deploy this structured template for any upcoming projects, making it a breeze to jump into familiar workflows with ease. This method not only helps you maintain consistency across projects, but also saves valuable time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters for your team and projects. Thanks for watching and happy template creating in monday.com.